Today I'm talking about the all-new Jeep Avenger, Jeep's first ever EV. It's powered by a single motor producing 156 horsepower and 249 miles up to 342 miles according to wltp, and with a 54 kilowatt battery. It's available with front wheel drive, 2 rows of seating, and standard features like 10.25-inch infotainment screen, 10.25-inch to a 7-inch full digital gauge cluster, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging pad, premium seats with leather inserts, power seats with massaging functions, ambient lighting, sunroof, hands-free power tailgate, and 360-degree parking sensors with rear camera. And of course, the interior is rugged and high-tech. The exterior is of course rugged and sporty. Overall, fantastic job by Jeep in terms of design language. So well done. And of course, in terms of prices, this should cost around £35,000 up to £40,000. That is my personal opinion. And the reason, since this is positioned below the Jeep Renegade in the Jeep lineup, that's the main reason. So compared with other electric competition like the Vauxhall MOKKA EV, the Peugeot 2008 EV, the Kia NIRO EV, the Chevy Bolt EUV, this is the class leader in the subcompact EV SUV segment. So well done Jeep, you have a winner in your hands. Well done.